Another question in the banking chapter. Over here we'll be finding the amount deposited per month. So the question here says that Mr. Brito deposits a certain sum of money each month in a recurring deposit account of a bank. If the rate of interest is 8% per annum and Mr. Brito gets rupees 8088 from the bank after 3 years, find the value of his monthly installments. And this question had appeared in the ICSE 2013 examination, right? So let's just note our given information first, as usual. So we know that the rate of interest of the bank is 8%. So I'll say R is equal to 8% per annum. And Mr. Brito gets rupees 8088 as Mr. Brito gets rupees 8088 from the bank. That would mean the maturity value, the amount that he receives from the bank at the end, which is rupees 8088, right? And he gets that after 3 years. So our maturity period N is 3 years. Remember, again, we need to convert that to months. So 3 years, 3 into 12, which is 36 months, right? And we want to find the value of his monthly installments. That means we want to find the value of P, right? So first things first, let's just write down our formula, and then from there we can proceed. Remember the formula for maturity value, that's the only formula that we have in this chapter. So I can say maturity value is equal to the amount deposited by Mr. Brito, which is nothing but P into N, plus the interest that Mr. Brito will receive, which is P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Right. So there we're done. We've made a note of all the given information and the formula. Now let's just substitute the values and see what's the answer. Right. So we know the maturity value is equal to 8088. So let's just plug that in. 8088. That is equal to P into N. Well, the value of P is unknown, so we can write that down as we'll just leave it as it is. So we write as P into N. So N we know is 36, right? That's the amount deposited, plus now the interest. For the interest, we know P is unknown, N is 36, so N plus 1 becomes 37 upon 2 into 12 into the rate of interest is 8 upon 100. Alright, now let's just simplify what we see here, and then we can proceed further. So we have 8088 as it is. There's nothing to simplify on that side. Right, that is equal to P into 36. We'll just make it 36P, and the interest part. Now we need to simplify the interest a little so that we can write it down. Let's just simplify that. What we've got here is 12, so I can say 12 ones are, 12 threes are, right? 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 25s are, 100, right? Now in the numerator I'm left with 3 into 37, so 3 7 are 21, and 2 carry 3 3, so that's 111. It's 111P, 111P divided by in the denominator I'm left with a 25. Okay, so this is what we are left with now. Let's simplify. If I solve this equation, I should be able to find the value of P. And for that, we will need to do some solving. So I have 8088 over here. 8088 is equal to, here I'll need to take the LCM of these two values. So 36 into 25. I'll see what that is. Let's do our rough work here. Rough work. We need to do 36 into 25. 25 6s are 150. 25 3s are 75 plus 15, that's 900. So I have 900 P plus 111P upon 25. right? Let's take the 25 from the left hand side to the other side of the equation, right? So that becomes multiplication, so that will be 8088 into 25, which is equal to 1011p, right? If I just add 900 and 111, that's what I'm going to get. So finally, I can say if I take the 1011 to the other side of the equation, that will become division. So I can say P is equal to 8088 into 25 upon 1011. As you can clearly see here, 1011 one time, and this is 8 times. So 825 is what we are left with. So I can say, therefore, P 825 is 200 rupees 200, if I want to be more specific. So that's our answer here. We finally found the value of the monthly installments, and therefore I can say that final answer as a statement. Therefore, the value of the monthly installments is rupees 200. That is our final answer. Put a big old rectangle around that one, and that's what it is.